Hi everyone, let's try to see what we are going to create. You see the presentation has its own effect and it's kind of look nice. Let's see how we can create it. It's easy, but let's start. At first we need to insert a new slide. In the new slide we format the background and add our picture from insert here. Then after adding that we apply it to all, so we have the picture. That's okay. Then we need to create this shape. Maybe it's look hard to create, but it's pretty damn easy. By holding shift you create a rectangle, then insert a circle from here to here. That must perfectly match. You see the curves are going to be perfectly matched. Let's copy that, and copy that. Okay, we have all of them. We select all four of them and make them one. Then we select all of them, make them fragment. Now delete the parts that we don't need. Okay, now we have this inner shape. If we want to add it in the circle, it's just easy. Create a circle, then send it to back. Just change the color so you can see the circle. Center, middle, center, middle. Now you have two options. You can just simply make it smaller to fit. So this shape is created. Now we can make it look like this, or we can change it. I'm going to make it look like this. For that we need to go and make it combine. Then set the shape outline to none. The shape is created as beautiful as ever. You need to color it black, white, and then whatever color you want. Then you need to create this shape. So how to create this shape? It's just a simple shape to create. So let's start for creating this shape. Okay, new blank space. Use this thing. I think we have it somewhere here. Use this thing. Okay, the shape is created. Now the title and the text. Then we format the shape, color it white, reduce the transparency. Then I format this, color it white, reduce the transparency, but in a blue shape. Then I don't like the shape outlines at all. We have no shape outline. The shape is created. This thing is using Overdrive Sunset as a font. Nothing special about that. Now we need these two. But before that, as you remember, this one is rotating. So how we create that? We go to animations. Here we have the spin. Then with previews. And then you need to go to animation pane, to effect options, timing, until next end of the slide. So it rotates always. You can also make the speed from here if you want. After that, copy that, reduce its size to fit in, and then let it rotate. Okay, then set the transition to morph, and your slide is ready. Let's take a look. You see, I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.